lands right in the middle of design and usability. When Tesla removed the turn signal stalk from Model 3 Highland and moved signaling to steering wheel buttons, reactions split. Some loved the cleaner look and adapted quickly. Others felt frustrated because the motion they learned from day one of driving school vanished overnight. Muscle memory is a powerful thing. Now, the fresh news from yesterday: in China, Tesla began offering a paid retrofit to bring back the stock on Model 3. The price is 2,499 yuan. That converts to roughly 350,000 won. Tesla says installation is included at the service center. Important detail: not every vehicle qualifies immediately. Cars built some of the paid
After February 7, 2025, without a stock, are first in line. Earlier builds are set to be supported later. Owners can choose to install the kit themselves.